Hi everyone, so today's lesson is on 3D shapes. So normally if we're in school we usually have 3D shapes, but since we're all at home I've had to hunt around the house and think what shapes I could use, and you can do exactly the same. So we have a cylinder, we have a cuboid, we have a cube, we have Ollie's favourite toy, which is a sphere, and I could not find a cone, so I made a cone. Okay, so that's my cone. So when we talk about 3D shapes, we talk about their properties. Properties are faces, corners, and edges. Some say edges, some say sides. It's same, okay? So faces, cubes, edges, or faces, cubes, sides. And if we start, we're going to start with our cube. Now, we talk about the faces. These are the flat, not necessarily flat, the big bits of it. So in a cone, it would be round, it's a curved one. But in a cube, they are flat. And if you count them, we can count the sides. So we have the faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a cube has 6 faces. And if you count the corners, and you turn it over and count the other side, it actually has 8 corners. And then we look at the edges, which are these bits, and count all of those, including if you turn it over the sides, then it has 12 sides, 12 edges. Okay, so it's got 6 faces, 8 corners, and 12 edges. Okay, so we'll set that one to the side. If you look at the cuboid, it's exactly the same because it has exactly the same properties as a cube. Again, it will have 6 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6. It has 8 corners, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it has 12 edges. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so it has 12. It's exactly the same properties as a cube. Then we come to our cone. Now cones do have faces, so it has a big round face round this side, and it will have a face on the bottom of it. So it actually has 2 faces. It has a pointy bit, which is classified as a corner because it's a pointy bit. And it has one side. So on an ordinary cone, if you think it's like a cone you would hold, like an ice cream cone, that's easiest to remember. It has an edge between the bottom and the sides. So it has one edge. So it has 2 faces, 1 corner, and 1 edge. Okay. If we look at the cylinder, okay, now you could have beans, you could have peas, you could have anything, okay? So we have a face here and we have a face there. But we also have this face, which is a big round face that goes all the way around. So it actually has 3 faces, and it also has an edge here and it has an edge here. So it has 2 edges. It's got no pointy bits, so it has no corners. And then, this is the easiest, and I think I've tried to teach you how to say this before. Sphere. Sphere. A sphere has one big face all the way round, wrapped all the way around it. It has no pointy bits, no corners, and it has no edges. It just has one face. Okay, so these are our 3D shapes that we will be looking at this week. So we have a cylinder, cone, cube, sphere, cuboid. Okay.